Hi everybody, this is Odd Samurai, and today I'm gonna be reacting to Chainsaw Man Chapter 224. But first, let's talk a little bit about 223. So yeah, just real funny that Yoru gets mad that Denji is using her devil allies as armor slash a shield. When she literally when she arrived, she was using Shi-chan's friends as hostages. This is such a fucking hypocrite. And of course, when Denji fights Fake Saw, she's basically forcing him and coldly just saying, you can't win if you feel sorry for them, meaning the people that Fake Saw was using as a shield. So that's interesting that manipulative advice is now being used against her, even if she doesn't actually care about Mori ill. It's still something that she didn't want to happen. Also, how she says like, "I played by the rules. I fought you fair and square from head on, but you crossed the line." Like, all right. As if she didn't create this bullshit rule book. And all of a sudden, when someone actually tries to play by it and add new rules, she's like, "Oh, that's going too far." Also, she did not even say, she did not even tell her opponent there was even a rule book. So yeah, she's just so unself-aware. It's it's kind of funny, but I do think it's um sad in a way when Denji says, "I get it. I watched pals get hurt and die too, so I know how you feel way too well." So yeah, Denji knows too well how it feels when people or devils use his friends and family as tools to hurt him further, so they can achieve their own goals. He knows it all too well, and he's using it against a person who deserves it. But, it stings a little to know that he's using that kind of emotional manipulation to hurt someone else, even if Yoru doesn't deserve that kind of consideration whatsoever. But it goes to show, right, that Denji is a really good fit to fight against Yoru right now. But yeah, he eats Mori eel, pissing off Yoru more, as she's basically must be thinking, like, really, this teenager thinks he can win against me? The one that I've been manipulating for a while now? He thinks he can go against me and beat me? he thinks he can try and make a deal. No. And so she makes a crack on the moon right next to, or right exactly where the American flag is. So we didn't actually hear her say like, "Oh, moon sword." So we don't know exactly how she's gonna use it. But if she makes the moon disappear to be turned into a weapon, that's gonna have some massive consequences on the uh, Earth's environment. So let's see how this plays out. Title: Moon Spear. Spear. A spear, eh? That also makes me think of the spear hybrid. Hmm. Okay, first panel is, the crack on the moon. I'll turn the American flag into a spear. Oh, wait. The flag? Not the moon. But why that particular flag then? That feels a little underwhelming. Unless she is um, combining it with a piece of the moon. Okay. The flag's still there. And America's claim to the moon into a homing system. Oh. Hmm. I'm okay. So like similar to the way she used the Statue of Liberty. I guess we'll see. But it seems like the flag is being shot like a, you know, heat-seeking missile. Yeah, it's going straight into Earth's atmosphere. That is a little underwhelming, I will say. I was expecting something a little bigger, like the actual moon being turned into a weapon, or at least a part of it, but it's just the American flag on it. I guess it goes to show, right? How Yoru sees uh, whether something belongs to her or not. And in this case, it pertains to like, okay, does the moon itself belong to America, or just the flag does? And it seems like uh, she's just seeing the flag as America's property. So that's interesting. She could have been more ambitious, or, she's just right now not thinking clearly because of how rage baited she's getting by Denji. But yeah, uh, the spear, the spear flag is burning as it's entering the Earth's atmosphere. It goes through a building. Denji says almost got speared. Oh well, it is a heat-seeking missile, so yeah, it's just gonna keep moving. Whoa! Grower? The Lion Devil? Yep. Lion Devil. Lady Yoru. Since the spear hit something, is it gonna still keep going? I guess so. Well, there's a flying here. Sorry. Okay, Denji lands on top of a building. Yoru watches. How dare you, Denji? Huh? How is that my fault? Meet your end. Yick. Yeah, okay. The spear is still going for him. Is there any way to make the spear stop? Okay, he's going through some buildings. Stop running. That spear will home in on you until you accept defeat. Yeah, okay. Damn. Um, we get a zoom in on his eyes. Is he thinking of another plan? Yeah. Ooh, it almost got him on the leg. I just had a light bulb moment. I'm a genius. Okay, I'm seated. My boy can be quite the genius when it comes to um combat. So let's see it. School. All right. Hmm. Yeah, the school is right there. Yeah, the spear just pierced them. It seems in the abdomen. Oh, and yeah, he's gone into the school. Using my friends as a shield, fleeing from me, you're lower than a devil. But if I get even one glimpse of you yielding, then I win. Serves you right. Hmm. What's he? What was the light bulb moment? I'll turn you into a weapon, Denji. There's blood coming out of his mouth. And set the humans against each other. Huh. She's celebrating too early. I'm going to enjoy my perfect world. As we see her just leap above some people still suffering from the effects of the nuke punch. Ow. I, this fraud, man. Huh? Why did I trip? I'm not Asa. Hmm. Huh? Is Asa doing something from inside the inner world? How was I moving until just now? What? Okay, let me keep reading. Oh shit! Legs? Did Denji eat the legs, devil? Yeah, yeah. He sacrificed his own legs to get rid of Yoru's. Denji. What did you do, Denji? Wow. She can't even. She already forgot that legs existed. I forget her name and face now, but that chick who flashed me her panties? Oh, Shi-chan. So he remembers that happening, but not her name. So he still has some. Memory of that. When I acted like I'd work with her, she gave me a whole bunch of devil pawns. Oh shit! Oh no way! Oh, look at that, there's so many! Okay. You know what? I'm fine with that. Basically having been kept from us, the readers, so that it can be brought back as a surprise like this. Okay, that must have been one of her 3 plans. That's smart, actually. Devil pawns? It can't be. Don't know what I ate, but since I need the blood, I'ma keep chowing down. Shit. Give back Asa's body, or I'll make a mess of your perfect world. Stop it! Well then. Oh man. Love to see Yoru against the ropes like this. It doesn't seem like she has something right now to fight back. She's just pathetically asking him to stop. Oh, that feels satisfying. But okay. Not really that much to the chapter, honestly. Though, I don't think we've seen, like, you know, once Pochita erases something, if, Denji can remember it while it's still gone. And it was something that Denji knew about before it got eaten. So, now we know. Because it doesn't seem like Yoru has not brought up anything, like a scene or a conversation that she's had with Shi-chan before she was eaten. She just knows that there was something before that could have prevented uh, her and Pochita to become a endless battle. But now she doesn't know what that was. But Denji can remember having those moments with her. I mean, makes sense, right? Right now, him and Pochita are the most linked and connected they've ever been. He's the, you know, makes sense that he'd remember. Though we don't know if he could remember forever if Shi-chan stayed gone, I don't know, years. But there's definitely like, since Denji is eating devils indiscriminately, I don't know which one, like, he could erase one that could be, um, something that's also hindering him as well, and not just Yoru. But hey, that's basically what happened with him eating the legs devil. I'm assuming that's what that was. Like, he can't move, but neither can Yoru, so he's taking that as a small win. Uh, so yeah, he doesn't care if the devil he eats uh, handicaps him too, as long as it does the same for Yoru. He basically said, I don't care, but you do. So if you want me to stop, you know what to do. And that's so cool. Now, I don't, to be fair, because when he says I got a light bulb moment, it could be that he didn't remember he had all the totems until then, or he did, and he just didn't know exactly how to use them. Because we don't know if Denji could actually, like, make them, you know like, go Lex Devil and try and fight Yoru. Like, even if he could, I don't think it would be as effective as what he's doing right now. But yeah, honestly, like I said, a little underwhelming that Yoru didn't actually use the moon in a more uh, jaw-dropping way. But hey, I'll take it. If she's not able to uh, make full use of her uh, powers in regards to how she perceives things, and that's on her. I'll most definitely take that, her overlooking that. So that made Denji being able to get that opening and get this one up on her. So yeah, uh, not that much happening on the chapter, but I could be missing something, and if I am, I'll just talk about it uh, next chapter. But I felt good about it. If Yoru's suffering, I'm having a good time. So if you enjoyed this reaction, please like and subscribe. Till next time, see ya.